Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I grabbed two of the new NYX Cosmic Metal lip colors. This says it is a lip cream, and I thought I would open them up here for you guys and show you if these are worth the money or not. I have been very much into like metallic looking lipsticks, but a metallic that looks nice on my skin color. So I grabbed a, looks like a nude mauve type of color, and obviously the bright pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on the lips, and you guys tell me whether you like them or not. Do I think they are worth the money? They are a little bit expensive. I think they're around $7, a lipstick $7.50. I mean, that's not like ridiculously expensive, but I'm used to paying like $5 for Wet n Wild, and it's whatever, it's a $2 difference. Anyways, okay, so let's go ahead and try this color. I just opened it. This one is in the shade Crystalized Metal, CMLC16. Let's go ahead and try it. Wow, look at that. Look at the difference. Very creamy, you know, not uncomfortable, and very creamy. I don't like metallics that dry down to the lip and have like that mattified kind of dryingness to your lips. What do you guys think? I think that's beautiful. I think it's like more of a rose gold, and when it hits off the lights, it picks up a little bit like, on my lips, it kind of picks up a little bit like of a white tint, if you know what I mean, like the shine of it. Isn't that gorgeous? But I do have to say, I think it is very much of a rose gold. And just wipe it off and go to the next one. Guys, so as I'm wiping it off, look, you guys can see like the silver glitter in it. So yes, if you are a woman of color, I would not recommend this, because women that normally have more color need like a gold glitter. I pulled you in a little bit more so you can actually see the silver glitter in my lips. Okay, let's go ahead and just go on top of that with the Fuchsia Fusion on top of that. My Lord. Look at this color. And they're so smooth on the lips. Have you ever seen a more beautiful, like fuchsia pink? And look at that. I'm gonna push you back. That is the most stunning fuchsia pink I've seen in a long time. And I'm gonna show you what this color looks like on my daughter as well. She is of more color than I am, and this looked amazing on her. She has those Angelina Jolie lips, just beautiful. Look at me. So I would say for these being $7 at Target, these are absolutely 1,000% worth it. I have paid $20 for lip colors, and look at this. It is so comfortable and like creamy on the lips, so I don't have any of that drying or irritation. Flexibility is, I mean, look at that. No cracking, no stickiness. Absolutely stunning. These are the two shades that I got. I would recommend this on women of lighter color, and this one of women of all colors. So pretty. So if I can find a link to this, I will post it down below in the comment section. If not, I did get them at Target. I do think that NYX needs to come out with a more of a variety of colors of their metal lip colors, because they didn't have like a huge variety. I think they carried like 8 colors, something like this, and these were the two prettiest ones that I thought. Wow, guys, so I removed this off my lips because I wanted to go with the other color for today. Here is the clean toilet paper, right? And look at this. That's how much came off. So it does this like whole lip staining thing, which is freaking amazing. It's amazing because I can go eat and I can go have fun, and my lipstick can wear off, and I will still have the effect that I have lipstick on. Look, you see how hard I rubbed? That's all that came off. Look at this. I'm not like rubbing lightly. Freaking amazing. And that's what it looks like when I put the other one on top of it. Kind of gives it more of a rose pinky look. Isn't that pretty? I'm so happy.